The Soura FX mechanical keyboard follows a minimalist design with no fancy edges or wacky gamer aesthetics. Even though it's a full-size keyboard, the tight frame of the metal base keeps the keyboard confined to the length and width of the keys only, essentially taking up less space on your desk. The chassis has a textured metal frame to house the mechanical switches on top of a plastic base, and we noticed minor flex. The keycaps have good quality dual-shot injection molding implemented, but they are wobbly and few of them don't align properly. A more snug fit between the keycap and the key switch would have taken care of this. The plastic base has 3 different slots to route the braided USB cable for easy cable management. The Soura FX uses TTC blue mechanical switches, and as expected, they are tactile and feel close to Cherry MX Blues. They are louder with a higher actuation force than the MX Blues. The reason is the longer actuation distance and key travel distance on the TTC Blue, as the tactile bump on the MX Blue is distinctly noticeable. The Soura FX falls around the sweet spot of the 10K price range of mechanical keyboards. While you will find better keyboards at a higher price, such as the Corsair K70 RGB or the Strafe offering Cherry MX switches, do remember that this keyboard also has additional software support to tweak settings, something you would rarely find on a mechanical keyboard in this range. This alone makes the Soura FX worth your consideration. Thank you for tuning in to Digit, and for more videos like this one, subscribe to our channel.